morning and welcome to a video. Today is, I don't even know what day, what's today?
Tuesday?
It's Tuesday, does January something, Happy New Year.
It's a day.
I'm with Richard. And we're going to the Anthony pull apart to get a new dash for this old girl right here. Because it's broken. And
Now it is.
now it's broken. It was fine before the video was filmed, now it's broken. I'm just kidding, it was always broken. And yes, we are going. We have some time until we get there. I don't exactly know how much. I'm guessing 25-ish minutes. So, see you then. Made it. We're here. Richard, where are we?
Pull apart.
We found something interesting. There's a Copart like half a mile that way. It's pretty interesting. I didn't even know there was a Copart around here. So hell yeah. But we're here at this freaking trash hole of a place. And it's breakfast time, boys.
Breakfast. We know because there'd be
Look at this. It's a freaking RX-8. It has the rotary. And the 6-speed. And I think that's a short shifter because it doesn't go very far. But I don't know why this thing is in here, so it might be blown apex seals because there's no real damage except some hail damage and such. But it has an engine. I can make my RX-7 a rotary. F no, too expensive. Found another RX-8. Freaking turbo. Look at this nonsense. It's manual, the trans is on the ground. You can see it right there. But look at this guy.
That thing got hot. Look at the bolts.
Yeah. Titanium, bro. It was a turbo, but someone definitely took that. That's such a tiny little engine.
2-rotor.
13B.
There's a few square bodies back there.
Sick old Pinto wagon. Yeah, there's a square body right here. Look, this firewall's good. 300. There's a Jag. Oh, no effing way. Porsches. Porsches. 924. 924. Are they turbo cars? I doubt it. No. No. Both have engines. Manual. What is that? I wonder if it's a 5-speed. My dad would know. I don't. That looks like an automatic. Hey, fun tip. If you're trying to get into a Porsche 924, you just push this thing in. I found that out right now. That's sick. I like that wheel. Yeah, no, it's a manual. That's sloppy though. Awesome. ZX Jag. Oh, Bronco. Elko. 2 bugs. 4 bugs. Another Elko. Oh wait, no, this isn't an El Camino, this is a freaking wagon. This thing is sick. Old Impala wagon. Where's my toolkit?
Really good caps.
Oh no. I gotta look at that. That's cool, his old Ecoline. Elko. Old Chevy Mustang 2. Oh no way, this thing is sick. An old Jeep mail van. Richard, Jeep mail van.
Those are rare, dude.
Yeah, they are. Dude, I want to look at that 280Z. Oh, falling over. This thing is cool right here. Whatever that is.
63 Dart.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh, no effing way. Dart wagon. I didn't even know those were a thing. I'm curious about this 280/240/260. 280Z. Automatic. Motor still in. Body straight. Those are sick wheels. Those would fit on the 240. That's all the cool cars. So we've already found some good stuff here. We found... Where'd Richard go? There he is. We found 2 1UZs, one in a LS400 and one in a an SC400. There was a 2J and an SC300, a non-turbo 2J. There was... How many RX-8s,
Is that my
Richard?
dash color?
I think so.
I don't know
No,
for
yours
sure.
is a darker gray.
Is it darker gray?
Yeah. Richard, how many RX-8s did we find?
6 or 7?
4 of them have motors?
Yeah.
3 of the ones with motors still have the manual trans. That's pretty dope. I might be RX-7 swapping manual.
Rotary, swapping, some shit.
Everything. Okay. We found it. Might not look like much, but this is what we need. There's no cracks, it's just dirty. So, hell yeah. Yank this puppy out. I think we're only taking the top, right, Richard?
Yeah, just the top. That came out nice.
I was slowly zooming into your face. Hell yeah, we're gonna get cracking and do some stuff. Richard's gonna break everything. Oh damn, that's big.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's why I wanted to take mine out just in case, but if we have to, we can just come back in.
Alright, cool. Alrighty, so there it is. That took, what, 5 minutes?
Not even.
Not even.
Dislocated my knee.
Yeah. Homeboy almost cried.
Homeboy popped his knee in like a fucking man.
That airbag wasn't out. This one was already out. That one wasn't. We just took it out before. Ooh, this is all wet. Gross.
You see the color difference though.
Yeah, this one's been in the sun. That one is not. We just pulled that one out because we wanted to see what it looked like. But look at this. It has a Python alarm system. I don't know if that means anything to you internet nerds. It's a big guy. Hey, it's meant for Americans. Americans are big people.
Who would laugh? I was like, poo!
Explodes, I know. Oh, look, this one's number 1. Number 1 in the field, number 1 in your heart, Richard. Hell yeah. Alright, what's the game plan now?
We gotta get that stuff for Greg's Miata.
This is true. There's a Miata up there, and we're gonna rip the shift boot out for Greg's Miata. There's no RX-7s.
Just have a good time.
And we're gonna party. We're gonna party it up. We're gonna gather all the people around here. Throw a party.
See something cool, like some good rooms or something like that for my truck. Fuck it.
True. Oh, speaking of.
It's 5 bucks.
Is it? Oh, it is 5
Truck
lug.
6.
Ooh, what a strong guy. Oh, we're getting kicked out. They're coming for us. Here they come. Yeah? It's there. We could take one of your batteries, cut these wires, splice them, and hook it up, see if it bzzz. You wanna try it? Wouldn't be, because if your passenger one already went out, it wouldn't be a bad idea to get extras.
For the driver, at least.
Yeah, for the driver at least.
Alright, so we got everything we need. We got all the hardware over there. I put it
Hardware's over there, the dash cover's in the back. Alright, so we're gonna pull this thing out, test if it works. And if it does, we might also take that puppy. Alrighty, so window thingamabobber. If you didn't know you could do this, take a drill battery and you do this. Watch this. Whoa, that's fast. Oh man. Richard, status report.
Harbor Freight.
Hello, welcome back. It's freaking late. It's like 3:30-ish. We're done. We're driving home, as you can see. We got the freaking dash thing. We got the window regulator for the driver's side. And I bet that's going to lots of suspensions. And freaking dead. Real dead. We're too old for this. Richard's knee gave out. My freaking foot started. It popped out of place. My foot started cramping. Just getting too old for this nonsense. Overall, Richard,
It's alright. It's just.
it was alright. That place sucks. Those people are the real
We had to. Because his dad's got a Mini Cooper and there's just like badass like cover you can get for the mirrors that are like a checkered flag and they're really, really cool.
Yeah, I'm sure you've seen them.
And they're like $60 for the set.
they were in like the premium section. So in the premium section, you can't just buy a part, you gotta buy the whole air. So, for example, the mirror cover on a Mini Cooper, that's one little piece. It had like 5 plastic clips and came off. The only way we could have bought that is if we bought the entire door, which is stupid. It's real dumb. Real dumb. I would have liked to have gotten those, but it's a big no-go, so hell yeah. We're going home. We're tired, exhausted. We're gonna put this dash cover on, and I'll probably end the video after that. So
well, you can see the dash is pretty.
Oh yeah, look, Richard went to freaking downtown. So we got this guy. We gotta clean it up, put it on, and oh, we also got this. This is from that Mini Cooper. It's freaking shift knob. So hell yeah. See you at home.
Going to keep it stock, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Stock bolts.
Stock bolts.
You want to modify your hardware?
Boss, he's telling shit.
Get. Paco, will you go back there with him? Good job. Thank you. Paco stops and looks at me, and I'm like, will you go back there? And he just puts his head down and walks through the gate.
Oh, dude, this is from my old vent. The one that Greg broke. It's that piece right there. It's the one that Greg broke.
Oh. Alright. We are home. Richard's taking this old guy out. Once it's out, I'll show you exactly how bad it is, but it's pretty freaking bad. He's taking that out. While he's doing that, I'm gonna clean the one back here. Hey. Farewell. See you later, man. Hi, Pop.
Hi, Tris. What's going on?
Not too much. Not too much, boss. What are you doing? And here's this one. It's fine. I just gotta clean it. And we're gonna put it on. It's gonna be freaking great. Right, Richard?
What?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh yeah. What do you think about the situation, Kat? Rip. There's a new one. This is how it looks right now. Can't be too close to that because I'll get copyrighted. It's no bueno. So we're almost done. Sun's going down. You can't really tell. It looks super light in the camera. It's not super light. It's like 5. Well, look, you can see. Bam, there's the sun right there. So she's going down. Where'd that cat go? What's this guy doing? Oh, she's in, and it's a different color. You see that? We didn't know that at first. We did that. We did the window crank. It's already done. Bingo, bango, bongo. So that's the end of this one. Friggin'.
If you were to go to pull apart, you know, get ready for, you know, some lady to tell you, oh no, it's in the premium section, you can't do it.
Stupid freaking.
You can't do it.
Anyways.
Anyways.
That's gonna be the end of this one. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time. Isn't that right, Richard?
Maybe.
Indeed. Hi, how you doing? I got some exciting news. I recently kind of got a, I don't know if you can call it a sponsor, but it's something like that. So, if you got naked wrist like this right here, I got naked wrist, and you would like to have a watch, there's a place called Hagley West Watches, and there's gonna be a link like right here. And it'll be in the description too, so you can click on that, and if you click on that link, you get 15% off of a watch. So go buy you or your family or your friend. It's the new year. Buy someone a watch. It'd help me. It'd help you, and that'd be dope. And you know, cool stuff. So awesome. And something else I wanted to let you know is there's 2 videos here, and you could subscribe. Click on my face. Those are both good videos. You should watch both of them. This one's probably like super cool, and this one's probably like super cooler. So awesome. Later.